First time having a charging dock. Pretty dope. Some guards. Okay. Some knockoff Stylecraft guards. Dang, that's a lot. It's a lot of oil. No diddy. Some to clean the clipper with. The charging cord for the dock. And obviously what I bought this for, the clipper. Ooh, oh yeah. Oh, this feels good. Levers like great. Never had some Stylecraft instincts before, but just feel like they're probably what they feel like. Let's turn on. Whoo! Oh no, yeah, these are gonna be my mains for sure, probably. Yeah. You don't want to buy the instincts? Go buy these. If you don't believe me, go watch the Timu challenge with JV Cuts, and you'll see that these are really good. They're basically the same as the instincts. I should be having a client later, so I'll have to test these out. He's gonna get a burst fade for the design, so we'll see how these cut. Tell me what design he should get down in the comments.